I love it here.
Alistair Mullins will miss his manufacturing job at MAZAK when he retires after 41 years in the field. MAZAK business leaders will miss Alistair as well because they know how tough it is to replace skilled manufacturing workers.
We actually have quite a few openings that are very difficult to fill. Trying to find people with technical training is extremely difficult. People such as machinists, people who are mechanical assemblers, electrical assemblers, welders, those are extremely difficult positions to fill.
That skilled staffing shortage is projected to get worse here in northern Kentucky. Companies like MAZAK, aerospace manufacturer MAG, construction materials manufacturer Lafarge, and Johnson Controls are desperate for skilled workers. Currently, within the 85 local advanced manufacturing companies, there are more than 600 skilled worker vacancies. In the next 10 years, that number is expected to be over 6,000. Retirements and a trend in companies moving jobs back to the United States are the cause.
You've got kind of a perfect storm. You've got all these retirees, you've got all this work coming back to the United States. I think it creates really a good opportunity for anyone who enjoys, thinking and trying to figure things out and working with their hands and things like that. Creates a lot of opportunities for them, and that's why the compensation for these types of jobs has gone up dramatically.
Within the next 5 to 7 years, you're looking at upwards of about 30% of the people that currently work on the shop floor reaching retirement age. So it's incumbent upon us as a company to continue to fill the ranks with able-bodied employees.
Industry leaders also blame old public perceptions of manufacturing as a reason younger generations have shied away from that field. But if you take a look inside these companies, you will be amazed how clean and technically advanced manufacturing has become.
We're paying people to think. With today's technology, the old types of positions that were more manual, more sweat, working in a dark and dirty factory, those days are gone. Very clean, very high-end technology where employees are utilizing that technology, have been trained to do, for example, the programming on a lot of the machines. That's really where the work is at. That's really the type of job environment that individuals work in, a very high-tech, clean, safe environment.
And a well-compensated environment with a generous benefits package, including tuition reimbursement. The shortage of skilled workers has led to companies offering lucrative employment contracts to lure people into advanced manufacturing.
For longevity, most definitely. For a good income, it has treated me well. I've raised a family very well, and I've enjoyed the work.
I will stay here until I retire. Like I said, I started when I was 20. This is where I'm going to stay because financially I am very stable. I bought a home. I bought different vehicles on my own.
Absolutely. We have a very competitive benefits program. They not only get health insurance and dental insurance coverage, but we also have a 401k program as well as a tuition reimbursement program that's unmatched by anyone in the industry.
At MAG Manufacturing, the aerospace company has returned to an older method of employee training and retention, an apprenticeship program. Tony Seymore has taken advantage of the apprenticeship program. He receives paid training, benefits, and tuition reimbursement.
What I like about the apprenticeship program is the ability that I can work with a seasoned individual. I can gain knowledge and skills from them, be able to take the knowledge that they have and incorporate it into my own work. And then on top of that, I get to take classes in the evenings, get a degree while I'm at it as well and expand my knowledge in the electrical field.
Local education institutions have also shifted curriculum to help train students for the advanced manufacturing needs. Gateway College offers classes, and the Kenton County School District now offers high school students the Academies of Innovation and Technology. Interested students like sophomores Eric Floyd and Tiffany Webster spend half days at the Academy taking prep classes in engineering, high-performance production technology, and sustainable energy technology.
We have a teacher teaching us and showing us how to program, how to do everything, how to do programs, how to build them, what to use, what not to use. It's a lot more hands-on.
What we're trying to do in the Kenton County School District is listen even more closely to our local partners, because they're telling us that we need to produce more higher level, high skilled, critical thinkers than we are now, which has resulted in us changing our instruction and trying to provide a more rigorous curriculum.
Because the manufacturing industry, it's not like, there's some industries out there that are not going to last because of how advanced we're getting. They're not really needed as much anymore. Yes, they're important still, but they're not as needed. The manufacturing industry is becoming so large and so important, it's clearly going to be around for a while.
Around for a while, hopefully staffed with our area's brightest students, filling the gaps left behind as more people like Ellister enjoy their retirement. Start your career today, nkycareers.org.